one of the things that you have no idea, never know, it's before making and selling on eBay. I was a filmmaker, and I use a lot of tools like this one right here. These are very useful tools. So anyways, I will try to make a lot of videos and show you in the future. So that will be for the next time, and this is for my mic. But anyways, let's continue. And today's mail time we have, let's see, lorry number 1, as you can see right there. It's not really bad, and just a little bit of paint that needs, and I think it's good. I have one of these already, so this will be the second, and let's see if it works. And okay, it's working, and I think it's a little noisy. Yeah, something is wrong, but at least works. Now there are several models that are coming on my way, and I will do again sell, but not on eBay. eBay sucks. eBay is taking a lot of fees, and I do not recommend to sell on eBay. So these are for parts repair, and I hope I get a lot good models. So this one right here is an RC or remote control Thomas, and we have some steam alone, and here's Gordon. Needs some, I think it's just here, I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's moving. Oh, it's working. Excellent. So James, I don't know what's going on with James, but looks good. Now let's see what else is in the box. So here's Cavalry, and since these are very cheap models, I will paint in black and make another, what's the name of this train? I think was Thailand. So I'm gonna make another one, and this one will be on Facebook for sale. This Freddy is in really nice condition. I mean, the cosmetic condition is good. I don't know what's going on with that. So we got the remote for Thomas. Okay, now let's see what's next. And here we have the steam alone model. So we got the complete set, and we gotta find out the way to fix it. Some spare parts. What's in here? Ah, look at this. We got another Gordon. And the good thing is I'm going to paint Gordon green with the other Gordon right here. Those will be a good models for sale on Facebook, not eBay. And here is another Henry, really good model with the battery cover. So this one will be also for sale on Facebook. But here's the thing, I want to paint blue Henry. I used to sell them for 75 bucks on eBay, but I will sell it for maybe 60 on Facebook. eBay is taking a lot of fees for the buyers plus taxes. So here is Spencer. Oh, it's cheap. I think, okay, Spencer is complete. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the top, and I will make Mallard but look at this face with mustache. Mailer also will be on Facebook for sale, hopefully next week. Have you seen eBay lately? Somebody sold a mailer, for a custom mailer, for $99. That's right, he sold it for $99. But of course I'm gonna beat the prices on eBay, and if that guy sells for $99, I will sell it for 75 or 80, whatever. So we got diesel right here. Battery is dead. So all of these models are really good. I mean, the cosmetic condition, the exterior, everything is really good condition actually. And the last one, oh no, here we got Emily. It needs just a little wash. Oh, look at that, it's really shiny, and it's really good. So I think I'm just gonna put the number 12 right here, a sticker number 12, and put it for sale on Facebook. And the last one, definitely the last one, is Toby. Toby is it looks really clean. It's from Hittite company. But yeah, so that's all for today, and I have a lot of boxes, and I will show you on the next videos. I don't want to get you bored. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Over and out.